Hi everyone, I'm looking forward to seeing some of you tomorrow for our Christmas Eve live broadcast, so see you there. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to make a video about starting a fire. I've only really tried this once before, so I don't know if I'll be any good at it. But let's see. So to start a fire, first of all, it's something that I can't do in London. So being here in Northern Ireland, it's great to have an open fireplace in the living room. So it's a really nice thing to have, I think. So in order to make the fire, I'm going to need some kindle. So basically it's small sticks that help you start the fire. I'm going to need this. I'm also going to need some fire lighters just to help start the fire. And then I can add some coal. And then when the fire is a bit stronger, I can start adding the wood. Okay, so let's see if I can do this. Right, okay, so first we need the fire lighter. And I'm going to light it with a match. Next, I'm putting in the kindle. A bit more like this. Okay, just across the fire lighter. Then I'm going to add some coal. There we are, there's some coal. Here, woo. Trying to put it around the fire lighter. Just around the sticks as well, the kindle. Oops. Whoa, it's fallen down. Yeah, okay. Need a bit more practice. Yeah, just keep covering it with coal. Oops. More coal. Right, how are we doing? Are we winning? So I'm just waiting for the fire to build up. think it's okay so far. It's quite windy outside, I don't know if you can hear that. You can hear the wind from the chimney. Right, okay. Right now, I think I'm going to put some wood on the fire in a moment. See how that looks. Hey, okay, well, not great, but it's still, the fire's still there. Okay, let's try, oh, something's happening. What happens if I do this? Okay. Right, the wood is on. Let's see if it helps the fire. Look at that. I'll be very happy if this works. Okay, well, it's slowly getting better, I think. The wood is burning. So, let's just see what happens. Okay, it's starting to, yeah, it's starting to get bigger now. Do I need more wood? I don't know. Okay. Well, I haven't killed the fire yet, so we might be okay. Well, the wood's burning nicely now. Let's see if we can get it to, yeah. I'm going to add more wood, see if that helps. Okay. All right. If I can. Yeah, let's try and add the wood. Right, I hope I haven't killed the fire. Let's find out.